family. And B and ban.
Good.
G and can.
Good.
And fan. M and man. P and pan.
Okay.
And rat.
R and
Run. T and tan. V and van.
Okay, good. Next one.
And family. B at the bat. B. K at the cat. And fat. H at hat. M at the mat. P at the bat. At the rat. S at the sat.
Very good.
And family. G ag. B ag bag. G ag gag. H ag hack. L ag lack. M ag mac.
Okay.
Ag nag.
Okay.
Ag rag.
What is this?
Ag sag.
Okay.
T ag tack.
T ag.
Tag. W ag wag.
Okay.
At family. P ap k ap cap.
Cap. Okay.
G ap gap. L ap lap.
Okay.
M ap map. N ap nap. Ap sap.
Okay.
Ap rap. T ap tap. Y ap yap.
This one?
Z ap zap.
Good.
And family.
Okay. Okay, last one.
B and B and bam.
Okay.
D and dam. H and ham. J and jam. And ram. Y and yam.
Good.
A
Sound.
A
D.
D and B at bat.
B at D.
B at bad. B
This is D.
D and B
D.
D bad.
D at D.
D and dad. L and lad.
Good.
And mad.
Good.
P and pad. S and sad.
Good. Okay, now read this one.
A
B.
B ab. K ab cab.
D.
D a b dab. Jab, jab. Lab, lab. Ab, nab. Tab, tab.
Good. Okay, now this one. Say this out.
Axe, axe. Axe, max.
Very good.
Axe, tax.
Good.
What? Axe, wax.
Very good. To tell
I am going to tell.
this A letter CVC words.
I am going to say.
And now I am going to say the and, at, ag, ap, am family. Chalo? Very good.